Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Sesh Jewelry and Accessories, aka Tosha Best, and we doing a sale on all our jewelry. I'm doing changes, the prices, and everything. Like sets like these. This is like a 4-piece set. You get the earrings, the bracelet, and the ring. All this right here, like this whole set is $12. And it's a lot of stuff that that's on sale that I haven't changed yet online. Like you could go on my Facebook, you could leave a comment, or you could message me. You could also call me and leave a message on my cell phone, and just tell me which types of jewelry that you're looking for, and if I still have it available, because it's so much stuff that we selling, like necklace like these. They $5. Let me open it first so how it looks. Like necklace like these, they like $5. Let's see. We have a variety of stuff. Another necklace set. I'm gonna take it out of the bag. This right here, I put up here $12, but I'm just gonna sell it for $8, just for just to get it out of the way. And this necklace set, it have the bracelet, the ring, and the earrings. So like necklace like these, that's not so big, and hold on. And like necklace like these. I know you said like if I put it on, this is gonna do the same. They on little hinges, so like you gotta straighten them up. So and to the side, another necklace set. This right here is this $12, but I'm gonna put it like $8 because they're trying to get rid of it. If I can get new stuff next year coming up. Stuff like this. And it have the necklace, the ring, and the earrings. And by the way, like these all gold necklace set. Here go another one. 4-piece necklace. There go the bracelet. Right there, that's the bracelet. A necklace. And here is the earrings and the ring that go with that. This right here, another one. This right here is $8. So it got a bracelet, earrings, and the ring that go with it. $8. That's the bracelet on the side, and the earrings is in this bag. It's like $8. I'm trying to get rid of, like I said again. And sorry that I haven't been on talking about my jewelry, because so many things have been going on lately in my life and in my family and everything. And I'm back now. Let's put it that way. This right here is gonna be $12. It's got a bracelet, a ring, and earrings to go with it. And with these right here, this is gonna be like $12 because the bracelet, they are hard. Like they bangles. Let me open it. See, they bangles that you put on. And the earrings, they little butterflies. And the rings are adjustable. And in the earrings. So all this set right here is gonna be like $12. That bag will come later. Sorry about that, y'all. Just get back into it. Another necklace set. This right here. This is gonna be like $8. I should have had everything open before I got into the video. Sorry about that. But I'm do better next video. See. This right here gonna be $8. Kind of slanted. I got it in the little holes. So see. The little holes make it. Okay, there it go. This $8, and I also have the earrings, bracelet, and all that for the go with. So I'm gonna change this. It says 12, but it's going to $8. Let's stop. And another necklace set. I got two of these. Sorry about that. These right here is $6. I got up here for $8, but they going down for $6. It got the bracelet, earrings, and the bracelet. And this right here I love. I had two of these. These right here, this right here is adjustable. It's adjustable ring. But this right here is a choker. And this right here is gonna be like $15 because it's a choker and it got a bangle bracelet to go with it. I don't wanna. Well, I gotta open it. It was $25, so it went down to $15. Let's see. This right here is going to be $15. And here goes the bangle bracelet that goes with it. The bangle bracelet. See? The bangle. Open it up and you put it on your wrist. See? And you unadjust it. I'll take it apart. And your necklace. Your necklace. It's a choker. So the part goes to right here. And this right here is another necklace set that I have. But I just only have one. This for me. I don't know if you can see it real good. See? And then they got the little the earrings to go with it. I gotta do better on my lighting. Sorry about that, y'all. So I said since my grandbaby went to a baby shower to another friend, I said maybe I could take time out to do other things else. So this is it for this video. I will be back for the next video. And so I see you then. This is Success Best. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube page. It's Tasha Best. And please subscribe. Even though I'm not famous or like a lot of things like other page, but I don't care about theirs, because they doing them and I'm gonna do me. And that's check me out. Subscribe to my YouTube page, Tasha Best, and you'll see all my jewelry. Then you see some of my family videos, crazy videos, and you'll see a lot of jewelry videos that I go to a lot of events and stuff like that, and videos that when I started out at the beginning and everything. So you will see all the jewelry there. I also make homemade jewelry, but I don't have any right now because I'm moving in the process. I'm still moving, and I had a lot of stuff I had to put in storage. So just check my YouTube page out. And I'm not starting out because it's like 6 years of me doing this, but I was doing it way in the past when I was younger. So I just started back doing it like 5 years ago. And so this year gonna make like 6 years. And so check me out on YouTube, see my videos, just subscribe to my page. If any thing you like in the video, whatever, you can message me on Facebook. It's Success Best, and I'm gonna show a card at the end of the next video, the one that I do next. So thank you all, and I see you on the next video. Bye.